Welcome to the Sunshine Weather, the epic unofficial weather channel for India. And friends, you all know that sun is shining well, most of the places recording high temperature and heat wave conditions. So let's get started. First we have to look out features which will be responsible for this weather activity. The very active western disturbance which is approaching already towards the western Himalayas. In association with this, a cyclonic circulation will approach towards west-northwest Rajasthan region. This particular weather will cause rainfall, snowfall and high temperature too, so let's discuss. The western disturbance over western Himalayas will cause light to moderate rainfall and snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh. The cyclonic circulation which will approach the west-northwest Rajasthan. Second one which is well marked over West Bengal and its adjoining area. And the third one which is marked over North Karnataka and adjoining to the Goa region. In association with this, two troughs extended. First one extended from west-northwest Rajasthan up to the circulation, which is over West Bengal and its adjoining region. The second one which extended from North Karnataka and adjoining to the Goa region up to the West Bengal region. So this particular weather features will attract the moisture-laden winds blowing from the Arabian Sea and from the Bay of Bengal, will cause heavy rainfall over southwestern parts of Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Bangladesh, Uttar Pradesh, southern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, north coast of Andhra Pradesh. So light to moderate rainfall will occur over Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Nagaland, Manipur, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, south coast and interior parts of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal and northern parts of Karnataka and Kerala. Also we can see high temperatures at most places reaching 40 degrees Celsius, and heat wave conditions at few places over Indo-Gangetic plains, parts of Madhya Pradesh, interior Maharashtra, northern parts of Karnataka, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, especially over South and Tamil Nadu. Now look at the rainfall activity. During last 24 hours, heavy rainfall precipitated over eastern parts of Bihar, Bangladesh, Meghalaya, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, interior parts of Orissa and coastal regions of Maharashtra and Goa. Light to moderate rainfall precipitated over Jammu and Kashmir, Uttaranchal, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, northern parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, north coast of Andhra Pradesh, coastal and northern parts of Karnataka. So during next 24 hours, heavy rainfall will occur over southwestern parts of Assam, Tripura, Mizoram, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Bangladesh, Uttar Pradesh, southern parts of Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, north coast of Andhra Pradesh. So light to moderate rainfall will occur over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Nepal, Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Rajasthan, Nagaland, Manipur, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, south coast and interior parts of Maharashtra, Goa, coastal and northern parts of Karnataka and Kerala. So that's the brief weather forecast for the next 24 hours. And friends, don't judge video by seeing beautiful thumbnail, but observe the information given in the video. We hope you like and subscribe our video. Keep connect with our epic weather channel, Sunshine Weather, for accurate weather news. Thank you, bye bye.